So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So remember guys, before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, we need to know what the trend is. Remember, you don't take a trade without knowing the trend. First, you need to know what the trend is. Second, you need to trade with the trend, right? That is what we are going to be doing. First, we will know the trend. Second, we will trade the trend. So what can we say the trend is on our GBPJPY? This is very clear and it is very simple. GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. We are what's in an uptrend move. You can see that market is very much bullish. So this is one of the reasons why if you are not yet in the buy, you need to go in for the buy, as we will be anticipating for a bullish move on our GBPJPY. Now guys, take a look at this movement right here. This is your high, right? This is the higher low. The market was able to push up again to form a new higher high that took out this previous high, right? Now if you have to zoom it in, this is the higher low. Now we should be expecting market to push up against it to form a new high, thereby taking out this high, previous high. So this is the day that whatever you want to be doing on your GBPJPY, you would want to go in for the buy. So a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. So let's go down to the forward time frame. So this is it right here. Market rallied up to push up, right? Here comes the pullback phase, which is the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then formed an higher low. That's what market is doing right here. Market is now pushing up, which has formed an equal high. So we should expect it to push up till it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this high completely. So this is the day that a bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on GBPJPY. Remember, I did this prediction for you guys yesterday, and I told you guys that market will close bullish for the day. It will give you a bullish move for the day. A market did give us that bullish move. Exactly what I predicted to do. That's what market did, right? So you can see that our analysis is absolutely correct. So once again, if you are not yet a subscriber, make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next update we'll be dropping for you guys.